place these calls on record. Yesterday we go to page 50.
Sesiyaqhubeka manje siyakuma nje kukhasilela number 50.
It's page 50 of 200, case ID 1031227, still exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1.
Siqhubekela ke phambili ke sesiyakukhasilela ke number 50 ke wonke mawaphelela amakhasi akhona ke 200 sasoyena ke exhibit DD5 esasebenza ngayo.
Proceeding on the 4th of October, your number ending 6890 on the 4th of October 2020 at 16:43:21 made an outgoing call, an MOC, to Lagos number 1698 lasting 6 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood.
Umhla 4 October 2020 kubonakala inombolo yakho yona legcina ngo6890 yenza ke ucingo iphumayo ke kunombolo kalebo egcina ke ngo1698 isikhathi ke beku 16:43:21 eyathatha ke 6 seconds ke umbhosho ngofuthi nawo khona uQueenswood.
It's followed on the same day by an incoming call from Lagos number on the 4th of October 2020 at 17:05:29. It's an MTC lasting 240 seconds. Lagos number is 1698. The tower is still 3G Queenswood.
Ilandelwe futhi ke ngomhla ka4 October ngo2020 ke ucingo ke olulangena lubuya ke kunombolo ke kalebo yona legcina ngo1698 ke yenombolweni yakho legcina ngo6890 eyathatha ke 240 second umbhosho ngofuthi ke kuyiQueenswood.
Another call that we wish to refer to is there in the middle of the page between your number ending 6890 on 4 October 2020 at 20:03:20. It's an outgoing call, an MOC, lasting 562 seconds to the number ending 1271, latest number. Latest name is on index 235, as we saw yesterday.
Siphinde futhi siqhubele phambili ke ngawumhla ka4 October ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku20:03:20 ke khona ke ucingo ngoluphumayo kwenombolo yakho egcina ngo6890 ke yenombolo ekalethi legcina ngo1271 izolo sibonile ke inombolo kalethi ke kulamaphepha ke incwadi yakhe ezincingo ke ku number 235 ucingo lakhona ke lathatha ke isikhathi singaba 562 seconds.
Then on 4 October 2020, 20:51:26, there's an outgoing call from your number ending 6890. I'm going to repeat that. On the 4th of October 2020, there's an incoming call, an MTC, from Lagos number 1698 to your number 6890, lasting 157 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood.
Ngomhla ka4 October futhi ke ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku20:51:26 khona ucingo ke lolangena ke lukuya ke ucingweni kwalebo ke inombolo yakhe egcina ngo1698 leya nombolweni yakho ke egcina ngo6890 elathatha ke 157 second umbhosho ngofuthi ke kuQueenswood.
Then on the same day there's another incoming call, an MTC from Lagos number 1698 to your number ending 6890, lasting 553 seconds.
ngomhla ka-4 October ngo-2020 ke khona ke ucingo osuke ocingweni kwalebo inombolo yakhe egcina ngo-1698 ke izanumbolini yakhe egcina ngo-6890 elathatha ke 553 seconds.
Then on the 5th of October 2020 at 06:59:24, there's an incoming call from Lagos number in MTC from her number 1698, lasting 188 seconds at 06:59:24 to your number 6890, the Tower 3G Queenswood.
Sesiqhubekela phambili ngomhla ka-5 October ngo-2020 isikhathi ke ku-06:59:24 khona kucingo ngolilo angena kuwena ke lokuthiwa kulebu ke nombolo yalebu igcina ngo-1698 ke nombolo yakhe igcina ngo-1698 ekalebu yakhe igcina ngo-6890 eyathatha ke 188 seconds.
Then there were several calls from Lagos number 1698 which went to voicemail and they are call forwards. These were calls to your number. Just place the times on record. 5 October 2020, 10:33:35. There's a call forward. Levels call from your number, from her number 1698 to your number 6890 went to voicemail, lasting 4 seconds. The tower is undefined. Then at 10:33, 47 seconds, 12 seconds later, there's a call from Lagos number to your number. The call goes to voicemail. It's a call forward. Then again at 11:29:57, there's a call from Lagos number 1698 to your number 6890. The call goes to voicemail. Is a call forward. Then there's a call from your mother's number ending 6750 to your number ending 6890. Still on the 5th of October 2020 at 12:58:46, the call goes to voicemail. It's a call forward that lasts 1 second. Do you have any comment, Mr. Ntanzi, regarding these calls that appear on page 50?
Khona ke amanye ama-call ke ayenzeka ke noma aya ku voicemail ke mhla ka-5 October ngo-2020. Yoqala ke ile engu-5 October 2020 enzeka ephuma kulebu iza kuwena ke enzeka ngo-10:33:35 naye ku voicemail. Eyesibili nayo lona lo suku lolo ke 5 October 2020 isikhathi ke ku-10:33:47 nayo futhi yayo ku voicemail. Kube khona futhi ke suka kulebu futhi ke ngo-11:29:57 ulebu number yakhe igcina ngo-1698 izinombolo yakhe igcina ngo-6890 nayo yayo ku voicemail. Kwaba khona futhi enye futhi ke yenzakalayo ngo-12:58:46 ke ekuya kuma wakho ke nombolo yakhe igcina ngo-6750 izwa kuwena ke izwa unombolo yakho igcina ngo-6890 naye ke yayo ku voicemail. Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukubeka ngalama calls esesiphume ngamo.
Ngithemba phambi kokuzinkantolo sengikhuluma amahlandla amane ngithi ifoni nangahlwana ngoJune 16.
My Lord, I had repeated myself on many occasions that the last time that I was with the phone, my phone was on the 16th of June.
Right, the next calls that we're going to traverse appear on page 51 of 200, case ID 103-1227, still part of exhibit DD5 in bracket E, Roman figure 1.
Sesiqhubeka la phambili manje futhi ke sesiya manje ku page 51 senza sobhekana nalama khola avela lapha ke nayo exhibit DD.
Still on the 5th of October, that very first call on the page, your number 6890, on the 5th of October 2020 at 13:18:07, receives an incoming call, an MTC lasting 221 seconds from Lagos number 1698. The tower is 3G Queensuit.
Ngomhla ka 5 October ngo2020 kubonakala ke inombolo yakho legcina ke ngo6980 ke thola ke icingo lubuya kulebu inombolo yakho igcina ngo1698 isikhathi ke beku 13:18:07 uyathatha ke 221 second umbhosho ngofuthi ke ku Queensuit.
Then 19 seconds later at 13:18:26, there's an incoming text message, an empty SMS from Lagos number 1698 to your number 6890, lasting 0 second. The tower is 3G Queensuit.
Ngalolo nalosuku lolo futhi ke isikhathi ngo13:18:26 kuba kuba khona komlayezo ongenayo kusuka ke inombolo inkalebu legcina ngo1698 iza ke inombolo yakho legcina ngo6890 eyathatha ke 0 second umbhosho ngeke kuPinsuit.
Then at 13:18:27, 1 second later, still on the 5th of October 2020, there's an incoming text message, an empty SMS from your mother's number ending 6750 to your number 6890. The tower still 3G Queensuit NGA.
Isikhathi ke manje ke ngo13:18:27 kubonakala ke khona umlayezo ke SMS ke usuka ke nombolini kama wakho ke u6750 iya ke nombolini yakho ke u6890 ke umbhoshongo kuQueensuit.
Then at 13:47:38, still on the 5th of October, there's an incoming text message from that number that is not on your phone book that ends with 3332 at 13:47:38, lasting 0 seconds.
Futhi ke ngalolo losuku lolo futhi ke umhla ka 5 October ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku 13:47:38 kubonakala ke ukuthi ke khona ke umlayezo ke uyasuka kule nombolo le engekho ke encwadini yakho izincingo legcina ngo3332 wathatha ke mhlambe 0 second futhi na umbhosho ngokuQueensuit.
And then still on the 5th of October 2020 at 13:52:59, there's an incoming call, an MTC from your mother's number ending 6750 to your number ending 6890, lasting 74 seconds. The tower is still 3G Queensuit NGA.
5 October 2020 isikhathi ke ku 13:52:59 ke khona ke ucingo olungenayo ke lubuya ke nombolini ke kama wakho legcina ke ngo6750 iya ke nombolini yakho legcina ngo6890 eyathatha ke 74 second ke umbhoshongo kuQueensuit.
Then at 14:11:43 seconds, in other words, 18 minutes later from the previous incoming call from your mother, there's another incoming call from your mother's number 6750 to your number 6890, still on the 5th of October 2020 at 14:11:43. And as we mentioned, is an MTC that lasted 152 seconds. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Emva komzuzu njengaba amasekenda ngaba 18 ke kuba khona futhi umcingo futhi olungenayo isikhathi ke manje soku 14:11:43 ukuya kunombolo ke kamama wakho egcina ngo6750 ke iza inombolo yakho egcina ngo6890 ngazo i5 zika October 2020 eyathatha ke 152 second umbhoshongo ke kwiQueensuit.
Then followed by 2 calls between Lewis number 1698 and your number 6890. The first one was an outgoing call from your number to Lewis number still on the 5th of October 2020 at 17:15:52. Then it's followed immediately thereafter, just less than a minute, by an incoming call from Lewis number 1698 to your number 6890 at 17:16:13.
Futhi ke
It's an MTC lasting 12 seconds. The tower is 3G Queensuit.
ngawo ke umhla 5 na October lo ke kubonakala khona ke ucingo lelaphuma ke inombolweni yakho yona legcina ngo6890 iya ke inombolweni kaLebu egcina ngo1698 isikhathi ke beku 17:15:52 kube khona futhi yesibili ke suka kunombolweni kaLebu egcina ngo1698 iya kunombolo yakho egcina ngo6890 lana ke isikhathi ke 17:16:13 eyathatha ke 12 seconds umbhoshongo futhi ke iQueensuit.
Then at 17:33:55, there's an incoming call from your mother's number ending 6750 to your number ending 6890. At 17:33:55, still on the 5th of October 2020, lasting 70 seconds. The tower is still 3G Queensuit NGA.
Ngazo futhi ke i5 zika October ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku17:33:55 yebonakala ke inombolo kamama wakho legcina ngo6750 eshaya ucingo ke le nombolo yakhe egcina ngo6890 eyathatha ke 70 seconds umbhoshongo ke Queensuit.
Then at 17:59 seconds, still on the 5th of October 2020, there's an outgoing call from your number 6890, an MOC lasting 51 seconds to Letty's number as per index 235. The number of Letty ends with 1271. The tower is 3G Queensuit.
5 October ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku17:59 bonakala ukuthi ke khona ke ucingo lelaphuma ke nombolweni yakhe egcina ke ngaye ke u6890 ya nombolweni kaLetty egcina ngo1271 uLetty ke khona incwadi zakho zesincingo lapha ku page lapha ku number 235 call yathatha ke 1271 second umbhoshongo kwiQueensuit.
Then still on the 5th of October at 18:28:37 seconds, your number ending 6890 makes an outgoing call, an MOC lasting a second, to your mother's number ending 6750. The tower is still 3G Queensuit NGA.
5 October ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku18:28:37 inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo6890 ke yenze ucingo ophumayo le kunombolweni likamama ke legcina ngo6750 yathatha phela 0 second lapha umbhoshongo kwiQueensuit.
Then it's followed by Lebu's incoming call with the number 1698. It's an MTC lasting 44 seconds at 18:28:49, still on the 5th of October, to your number 6890, Tower 3G, Queensuit, NGA.
Ilandele ke ucingo futhi ke lisuka kuLebu lo nenombolo ke egcina ngo1698 isikhathi ke ku18:28:49 mhla ka 5 October ethatha ke 44 second ke umbhoshongo iQueensuit.
Then your mother's number ending 6750 calls your number. It's an MTC and incoming call at 18:32:20 on the 5th of October 2020, lasting 166 seconds, to your number ending 6890.
Inombolo kama wakho ke legcina ngo6750 ke yenza ucingo oluphumayo eluza ke nombolini yakho yona legcina ngo6890 isikhathi ke ku18:32:20 eyathatha ke 166 seconds.
Then it's followed by an incoming call from Label's number 1698 to your number 6890, still on the 5th of October 2020 at 18:36:19 seconds. It's an MTC lasting 228 seconds.
Ilandele ke leyo ke ucingo oluphumayo kuLebu inombolo kaLebu egcina ke nayo 1698 ke iza inombolini yakho isikhathi ke ku18:36:19 usuku ku5 October 2020 eyathatha ke 228 seconds.
Then there's also a call from Noma Zude's number ending 5762. It's an incoming text message from Noma Zude's number to your number ending 6890, still on the 5th of October 2020 at 18:56:03. It's an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds. The tower is 3G Queensuit.
Kube khona ke futhi umlayezo ke ubuya kuNomazwide inombolo yakhe igcina ngo5762 iza ke inombolo yakho ke nakhona usuku ke ku85 zika October 2020 isikhathi ke ku18:56:03 yathatha 0 second umbhoshongo ke Queensuit.
Then it's followed by the person listed as, or the number listed as Auntie, index 16 on your phone book, with the number 079 534 9494.
Ilandele ke umuntu ke obhalelwa njengo auntie unceda khona izingcingo onenombolo ke le ethi 079 953 079 53 49484.
It's an incoming call from Auntie's number, an MTC lasting 194 seconds. That call to your number ending 6890. That call was on the 5th of October 2020 at 18:58:48 seconds. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Ilandele ke locingo leli ke liphuma ke kunombolo le ebhale phansi njengo auntie e079 5349494 enza mhla ka 5 October 2020 isikhathi ke ku18:58:48 iza kuwena.
Who is this person, Auntie?
Ubani ke auntie?
Ngino atababili manje lena inxango manje ayibhale ukuthi anto kaMasondo anto kaNdwani fele ibhale so inamba zo ati zinayibonga cewa lema ibhale ukuthi ati so ati
My Lord, I've got two aunties. One is auntie from Kwamasondo, and the other one, the other one from Dwandwe. So if it's like this, because we are supposed to have a surname on it. If it's like this, I'm not sure which one is this one.
But you say they are your aunts.
Utabo auntie bakho lapho.
Ngikhuluma isiZulu ngithi mina ade bayi-2 angisho ukuthi adana ngitho ade bayi-2.
I just spoke in Zulu. I said I've got two aunties. I never said I don't have an auntie.
Ngithethe engangicacisela isibongo mina ngazi khona ade kwaMasondo kukhona ade kwaNdwandwe.
If there was a surname here, I would know which auntie, because I've got two of them. The one is from Masondo and the other one from Dwandwe.
Yes. No, the proposition, Mr. Ntanzi, was that you've got two aunties.
Uthi unabo auntie ababili wena?
Ngisho njalo.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yes. Then at 1949-10, there's an incoming call, an MTC from Lagos number ending 1698 to your number ending 6890, lasting 126 seconds, an MTC, Towers 3G, Queenswood, NGA.
Isikhathi ke ngalusuku lolu 5 October ke lowo isikhathi ku 1949-10 khona ke ucingo ke oluphuma kulebu ke inombolo yakhe ke igcina ngo 1698 yaku nombolo yakho igcina ngo 6890 elathatha ke 126 second umbhoshongo ke 3G.
Then at 2016 and 50 seconds, there's an incoming text message, an empty SMS from a number 071-617704. That number is listed as Northwest number and is index number 123. So there's a text message from Northwest number ending 7014, it's index number 123. It's an incoming text message at 2016-50 on the 5th of October 2020 to your number 6890. Tower is 3G, Queenswood, NGA.
Ngomhla ka 5 October ngo 2020 futhi isikhathi ku 2016 50 second khona ke umlayezo ke SMS ke usuka inombolo kaNokwe le ibhalela incwadi nakho izincingo ke ibekwe as number 123 inombolo yakhe igcina ngo 7014 eyathatha ke nayo umbhoshonga lawo uQueenswood.
Who is Nokwe?
Ubani ke uNokwe?
Akusiyi number kaNokwe, number kamama wakhe lo oshade bomncane Mashefa.
This number that is showing here is not Nokwe's number, but Nokwe's mom's number, who is married to my uncle.
Oshade bomncane Mashefa.
My uncle Mashef.
Iphinde la iyangimangaza phela fela ibhathi mama Nokwe, mayizoqhamuka ukuthi Nokwe la kuphela, fela ibhathi mama Nokwe le namba ibhalwa sonke.
And what surprises me also with this number, it's supposed to show Mama Nokwe, not only just Nokwe, as it shows on this document.
You say Mama Nokwe is married to your uncle?
Mama Nokwe.
Babomncane.
Yes.
Tatu ankeleni ngathi umalume.
Yes.
Uyabuza ukuthi Mama Nokwe ushade nomalume na.
Ushade nobabomncane awumalume.
Do you have any comment, Mr. Ntanzi, regarding these polls that appear on this page?
Manje ke mhlambe banzikhona mhlambe ufuna ukusho ngalama code lasesiwayenzile la kulo page 51.
Mina ngishilo phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ukuthi ifoni ngangenayo ifoni nokungangena ejele ifoni bengenayo ifoni ithathwe ngoJune 16 ke.
My Lord, I did mention before the court that I did not have the phone. My phone was taken on the 16th of June.
So once again, Mr. Ntanzi, the question arises as to how would the caller using your number have known about the number of Auntie, the number of Mama Nokwe?
Manje ke umbuzo futhi uyaphinde futhi uyabuya ukuthi ke manje lo muntu lo ubefona ukwaze kanjani ke ngenombolo kaAuntie futhi ngenombolo kaMama Nokwe?
Nkosi enkantolo ngiphinde ngayiphinda le answer. Ifoni yami kimi ihambe ivuliwe.
I'm repeating my answer again, my Lord. When my phone was taken from me, it was on, it was not switched off.
O-Atu nengane, umama Nokwe unengane.
Auntie has children and Mama Nokwe also has children.
Omene mhlawumbe yize zazimtshela ifoni kaMzali ivuliwe.
Maybe they are the ones who informed them that their cousin's phone is on.
Ngoba mangibuka le number le yona ngiyifanisa ne number kaTo kaMasondo. aTo kaMasondo umuntu omdala futhi umuntu oyigulela namanje uyagula.
Looking at this number, it looks like Auntie from Kwamasondo, and she's an elderly person who is also sickly.
Umama Nokwe ngimgcine ngamalanga ecorona nakhona ngangihleli nawo mashef ukumgcina nje ukumbona nangamama mesho.
The last time I saw Auntie Nokwe, it was during the corona days.
The next call that we wish to refer to, it's not in your bundle. It's I'm going to hand you a loose page. It's page 55 of 200, case ID 1031227. It is still part of Exhibit DD5 in bracket E, Roman figure 1.
Uthi ke enye call esobhekana nayo manje kila ku page 55 nayo ku exhibit DD
On index 61 of your phone book, the is a person safe as Kasho with the number 082-360-7091.
encwadini yakho ngezingcingo ukhona ke number 61 igama lakhe uvela ke kuKahlo inombolo lakhe ku 082-360-7091.
Your number ending 6890.
Kahlo bathi Kahlo.
This person is Kahlo, not Kahlo.
Kaho. How do you spell it?
uKahlo lo ngispela kanjani?
Naye le futhi ngangigcina kumasport umfana waseMarikana eVanderkop.
And this guy is from Marikana in Vanderkop.
How do you know him?
Umazi njani uKahlo lo?
Kibazela masport awedlala isquad asemayeni eMarikana nje Elon Me.
He used to play for the Marikana squad called Loan Me.
Nasemkotini ngangimbona ngisasebenza eMarikana sasijwayele nasemkotini
And
sibona.
I also knew him from the underground when we used to work together.
Ngoba siphinde sesidibana naye impala futhi wayeka eMarikana osebenza impala.
And then I also met him again when he left Marikana, now joined Impala.
Now your number ending 6890 on the 7th of October 2020 at 18:28 46 seconds made an outgoing call, an MOC, lasting 1 second, to that number listed as index 61 of Kato.
futhi ke inombolo yakho
082-360-7091. Say it's an outgoing call to his number at 18:26:46, lasting 1 second. The tower is 3G Queenswood.
inombolo yakho ke yena lecina ngo-6890 ngayo mhla ka-7 October ngo-2020 isikhathi ke ku-18:28:46 ke inombolo yakho ke yenza ucingo oluphumayo ke lakuyona inombolo leyo ebhalwe kahle ke encwadini eziningi zakho i-082-360-7091 eyathatha nje phela 1 second umbhoshongo kwi-Queenswood.
Do you have any comment regarding this call?
khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ngale khona.
Kusenkantolo ngisaphinda ngathi lapha phambi kwesekade mina ngangenafoni ifoni ngahlwana ngoJune 16.
I'm still repeating myself, my Lord, that I did not have the phone. I last had my phone on the 16th of June.
Ukuphinda futhi phambi kwesenkantolo mangibuka la lo muntu lo ngendlela mina ngijolene naye ngayo ngangeke ngikhulume nathi ukuthi ifoni yayike ngangeke ngikhulume na 1 second ube ifoni yayikini.
And again, I just like to point out that if this person, I was that close to him, there was no way that I could just spend only a 1 second
Ngoba yena muntu futhi
communicating with him.
yena futhi wayezotshela usibiye emarekane lo ukunomthetho ukuthi mina ngiboshiwe umuntu wayekhuluma nami lo muntu.
And if indeed this person was in communication with me, he was the one who would have conveyed the message to Sibiya and Teto at Marikana that I've been arrested.
Who's Sibiya Mteto?
Ubani ke uSibiya noMthetho?
Ngikhuluma mina ngabantu abadala engifele kuwe emarekane.
I'm talking about elderly people who welcomed me when I joined the Marikana.
Usibiya ngangapha kwaNongoma noma isigodi sakhe ngingasathi ngangapha kwaNongoma umthetho ngangapha eJozini.
And Sibiya is from Nongoma, even though I don't know his particular village, and Mteto is from Ejozini.
Where's Jozini in relation to Kotlokolo?
Ejozini ke ngakuphi ke mawusi qhathanisa nokuhloko.
Fana nawe neGiyana nolapha ePitoli mhlawumbe nansi example.
The example can be from Giyane and Gauteng.
Yes.
Ngoba kwami neJozini akaze ngifike obangenganga ngazi ukuthi uphunywa kubheke.
And I've never been to Jozina. I don't even know how you go about going to Jozina.
So are you saying that Jozini is far from Kotlokolo?
Uthi ke Jozina ke kuqhelene kakhulu nekohloko.
Ngithi mina noma phambi kwesekatolo eJozini angazi nokuthi uphunywa kubheke kumakiwa ngakhona.
I said I don't even know which part is Jozina located. I don't know how you.
Ngoba kwamina ngishinda zona ngoma ezinyanga zami ngiza nje kuthiwa khona indawo eyikuthi zona ngoma engazange ngifike kuzo.
And there are some places at Skwanongoma that I've never stepped my foot on. I will just hear the mention of the place, but I've never been to those areas.
But you've just said Jozini is just like the distance between Giyani and Gauteng. We're just trying to establish the distance between Jozini and Kotlokolo.
Kodwa uye wachaza wathi ke iJozina ke iJozini nokohlokolo ngaba ngaqhela nomhlanje kube indawo efana nase Giyani nale eGauteng.
Ngoba ngithi phambi kwesekatolo kukude eJozini yabona mangisuka kwaNongoma mina ngiyophongola I'm sure 2 hours iboarding libona uphongola but iJozini azange ngiye endaweni zakoJozini.
I've never been to Josina, as I'm just explaining that from Utomoso Kohloko for 2 hours,
mangisoka nongoma edrobheni uyophongola msho 2 hours.
from Nongoma in town to go to Opongola, it would take about 2 hours. I'll
Mangifika-
just see the direction board, but I've never been to.
Mangifika khona
Josina.
ngibona ibhodi ebathi Josina ngathi kuphunya ukubheka kubo Josina.
I will just see the direction board showing Josina, but I don't even know how to get there or how one will get there.
The next calls that we wish to refer to are found on page 62 of 200. Is case ID 1031227.
Siyaqhubekela manje phambili futhi ke sesikhuluma manje page 62 kulamakhasi wonke mawaphelele ku-200.
On the 13th of October 2020 at 19:59 and 32 seconds, there's an incoming call, an MTC from Lagos number 1698, lasting 82 seconds, to your number ending 6890 at 19:59:32. The tower is 3G Queenswood.
Ngomhla ka-13 October ngo-2020 isikhathi futhi ku-19:59:32 khona-ke ucingo oluphumayo kuyosuka enombolweni kalevu egcina ngo-1698 liya-ke ecingweni lakho egcina ngo-6890 elathatha-ke 32 second embhoshongo futhi-ke kuyi-Queenswood.
Then at 21:27:03, still on the 13th of October, your number 6890 on the 13th of October 2020 at 21:27:03 receives an incoming call, an MTC, lasting 516 seconds from the number that appears on your phone book as index number 243C Beke. That number is 063-758-1691. Say it's an MTC, an incoming call from C Becker's number to your number. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Ngomhla ka-13 October ngo-2020 isikhathi-ke ku-21:27:03 khonakala inombolo kaSibheke-ke leyo 063-758-1691 yenza ucingo oluphumayo kuleyo nombolweni yakho-ke le ewu-6890 eyathatha-ke 516 second-ke umbhosheni weQueenswood.
Then it's followed by several calls between your number ending 6890 and that number that is not on your contact list ending 3332. Still on the 13th of October 2020 at 21:51:13, there's an outgoing call from your number to that number ending 3332, lasting 64 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood. Then followed by an incoming call from that number 3332, lasting 44 seconds. to your number, still on the 13th of October at 21:52:59. Then there's another incoming call from that number ending 3332 to your number 6890 at 22:45:40. It's also an MTC. Another MTC incoming call to your number ending 6890 from that number ending 3332. Then at 23:46:13, still on the 13th of October, there's an incoming call, an MTC from Lagos number 1698, lasting 42 seconds, to your number ending 6890. Then again at 08:55:45 on the 14th of October, your number ending 6890 calls Lagos number ending 1698 at 08:55:45, lasting 88 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood. Then your mother's number ending 6750 calls your number ending 6890, still on the 14th of October 2020 at 11:05:07. That call goes to voicemail. It's a call forward lasting 5 seconds. The tower is undefined. Then again, on the 14th of October 2020 at 16:23:34, there is an incoming call, an MTC from your mother's number 6750 to your number 6890, lasting 34 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood. This call from your mother was preceded by an outgoing call, still on the 15th of October at 15:12:59 from your number 6890, then MOC to Lagos number ending 1698. Duration of that call is 19 seconds. Then followed by an incoming text message from Lagos number ending 1698 at 15:49:31 seconds, lasting 0 seconds, followed by an outgoing call at 15:53 from your number 6890 to Lagos number 1698, lasting 77 seconds. The tower for all those three communication is 3G Queenswood.
Masibheka ke khona ke amanye amakholi ke angaba maningana. Eyoqala ke ile yenza ngomhla ka 13 October. Isikhathi ke ku 21:51:13 ke lapho ke inombolo yakho ke yashayela ke inombolo lengekho incwadini yakho ezingcingo legcina ngo 3332 ke eyathatha ke 64 second umbhoshongo nayo ku Queenswood. Ilandele futhi ke imiculo futhi ke olwangena ke leswa kuyena inombolo lengekho incwadi yakho ezingcingo egcina ngo 3332 isikhathi ku 21:52:59 eyathatha ke 44 second. Kulandele futhi ke ucingo futhi lunye futhi olwangena ke liphuma kule nombolo leyo 3332 yakuwena inombolo yakho egcina ngo 6890 isikhathi ke ku 22:45:40. Kube khona futhi lunye ucingo futhi olungenayo olubuya-ke ku-3332 liza kuwena-ke inombolo egcina ngo-6890. Elinye futhi-ke isikhathi 23:46:13 kuba khona-ke olunye ucingo-ke oluphuma kulebo elathatha-ke 42 seconds-ke liza kuwena inombolo yakho egcina ngo-6890. Phinde futhi kube nenye futhi-ke ucingo futhi olungene ngalosuku lona lolo u-0855 45 zona i-14 zika-October. Kwaba khona-ke ucingo-ke lapho-ke inombolo yakho egcina ngo-6890 eshayela-ke uLebo inombolo egcina ngo-1618 isikhathi ku-0855 45 kuyobhoshwa ngona Queenswood elathatha-ke 48 second. Kulandele-ke olunye-ke osokuma wakho-ke inombolo yakho egcina ngo-6750-ke leyo nombolo yakho egcina ngo-6890 ngawo umhla ka-14 October ngo-2020 isikhathi-ke ku-11:05:07 lona-ke langena ku-voicemail-ke thatha-ke 5 second ukubhoshwa ngazange uchazwe. Mhla ka-14 October futhi ngo-2020 isikhathi ku-16:23:34 kwaba khona ucingo futhi olungenayo-ke suka-ke enombolini kama wakho-ke liza-ke enombolini yakho ngegcina ngo-6890 elathatha-ke 34 second ukubhoshwa ngona kwi-Queenswood. Kwaba khona futhi incingo oluphumayo suka kuwena le nombolo nikalebo leyona legcina-ke ngo-1698 elathatha yona i-19 second. Siqhubekele futhi phambili-ke kwaba khona-ke umlayezo-ke ububuya kulebo-ke isikhathi ku-15:49:31 wathatha-ke 0 second eyogcina-ke iyona-ke call-ke eyaphuma-ke le eyaphuma-ke ngo-15:53 suka kuwena eyakulebo inombolo yakho egcina ngo-1698 eyathatha-ke 77 second umbhosho ngofuthi kwi-Queenswood.
Then, still on the 14th of October 2020 at 17:57:20, there's an outgoing call from your number ending 6890 to Lebo's number ending 1698, lasting 47 seconds. The tower is still 3G Queenswood.
Ngalo futhi suku lolu hla ka-13 October isikhathi-ke ku-17:57:20 kwaba khona-ke ucingo oluphuma-ke suku enombolo lakho legcina ngo-6890 liya-ke kunombolo kalebo egcina ngo-1698 elathatha-ke 47 second umbhosho ngofuthi-ke Queenswood.
Then still on the 14th of October 2020 at 18:58:43, your number ending 6890 at 18:58:43 makes an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 21 seconds to your mother's number ending 6750. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Mhla ka-14 October isikhathi-ke ku-18:58:43 inombolo yakho ngelegcina-ke ngo-6890 yenza-ke ucingo oluphumayo-ke liya kunombolo kama wakho-ke egcina ngo-6750 yathatha-ke 21 second.
Then still on the 14th of October at 19:30:59, your number 6890 makes an outgoing call at MOC at 19:30:59 to C. Becker's number. C. Becker's contact number 243 on your contact list, 063-758-1691, lasting 163 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Ngawo-ke futhi umhlakalo ka-14 October ngo-2020 isikhathi-ke ku-19:30:59 inombolo yakho yenza ucingo oluphumayo inombolo yakho egcina ngo-6890 yenza futhi ucingo oluphumayo-ke liya kuSibheke. Lo Sibheke-ke naye kuwumunye kunayo kwincwadi zakho zengcingo inombolo yakho 073-758-1691 elathatha-ke 163 second yombhosho Queenswood.
Now, Mr. Ntanzi, do you have any comment regarding these calls on this page?
Kodwa mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho-ke ukuchaza kulama calls la sikhulume ngayo.
Mina Nkosi enkantolo ngangingenafoni.
I did not have a phone, my
Ifoni
lord.
ngayishona ngoJune 16.
The last time I had the phone was on the 16th of June.
ebese kuleli phepha futhi khona lento le engimangazayo mina ukuthi inamba kaLebohile inamba kaMama kungena kaMabhena phakathi phinde kube inamba kaLebohile kaMama kaMabhena lento le iyangiphazamisa serious
My lord,
ukuthi yenzeka kanjani la
there's something that is confusing in this document, this page 62. You'll note that it will show Kilebohile's number, it will show Mabena's number, and my mom's number. And as you proceed, it will do the same pattern. It will show Kilebohile's number, Mabena's number, and my mom's number. And that is really confusing to me.
ngoba ekaMabhena Nkosi enkantolo zi14 10 2020 13 18 31 11 inamba kaMabhena khona le tower bayisho le yasevere wathi tower yasevere.
Then on the 14th of October 2020, and the time here it's 18:31:11, it will show Mabena's number, and then also the tower, it will be the Verelin Tower, Queenswood.
One
And then 1 second, the duration 1 second.
siphinde sehle futhi size khona la inamba kaMama ngenhla inamba kaMabhena ngezandla.
And then as we go down again, you'll see my mom's number, and then under my mom's number, you see Mabena's number.
14 10 2020 19 10 13
And then it shows there the date to be the 14th of October 2020, and the time will be 19:10:13,
kuyo lo tower futhi again
the same tower.
siphinde futhi kube zi14 10 2020
Again on the 14th of October 2020,
zi19 20 53
and the time shows here 19:20:53,
kuyo lo tower futhi Nkosi enkantolo.
the same tower again.
Manje mina iyangimangaza ukuthi ifoni kaMabhena ifoni kaMama ifoni kaLebohile lento iyangiphazamisa kakhulu.
It's confusing, my lord, that it will show Mabena's number, Lebohile's number, Mabena's number, my mom's number, and the pattern will just be the same.
Mr. Ntanzi, how was the relationship between you and Sergeant Mabena?
Manje ke phakathi kwakho noSergeant Mabena bebunjani nje ubudlelwane benu?
Angeke ngibone ubudlelwane nephoyisa.
I cannot have a relationship with the police.
Mina ngisho egroundini sadlala ibhola sengomela kwangiphatha kabi nje ngomela ngiphinde ngikhulume nawe.
Even at the soccer, when we are playing soccer or when we are busy with the traditional dance, if you offend me, I just decide not to speak to you any longer.
Mina ngaphandla naye inhliziyo embi. Deswanye mangaphuma emgwaqweni umuntu ongibengela ethe kunjani Ntanzi kunjani Ntanzi kunjani mfana kaNtanzi shikhehle edala kanjani mfana kaNtanzi ngifuna umuntu njalo ba.
Outside, I'm not a bad person. I don't have a bad heart. Even if I met somebody, when they ask me, how are you, Ntanzi, even an older person will greet me. I'm just an okay person.
Ngingaba nobudlelwane nomuntu ongishayile angishuba engazi ukuthi ungishayela eneshala nje into engayazi ngibulala usengazange ngibulala senzo.
How will I have a relationship with somebody who had assaulted me, electrocuted me, and said I've unlived Senzo? How will I have a relationship with that person?
But how is it that every time you are able to immediately recognize the late Sergeant Mabena's number?
Manje kuza njani ukuthi ke sonke isikhathi uyakwazi ukuyibona inamba kaSergeant Maluleka lo ngasekho?
Ngiyethemba if ilapha enkantolo mangiqala ukukhuluma ngenamba kaMabhena ngithe nathi ibhale ephepheni wathi wenzela makuthiwa ngiyagula ngitshelele umuntu wasevelele yolo wasePretoria mode bamfonele kule namba.
I did mention when I was testifying before the court that I had a number on the paper for in case if I get sick or anything, they can give him a call on that number.
Yingakho ngikwazile ukuyibona le namba bangikhiphele iphepha lengalibuka le namba le engathi le ehla lebhale ephepheni ngalibuka namaphela inamba yakho Mabhena ibhale Mabhena.
That is why I could notice or recognize the number since I'd removed the paper and I could see that this number looks the same as the number that I had on the piece of paper, and it had Mabhena on it.
Who wrote Sergeant Mabena's number on the piece of paper?
Uba nobhale inombolo leka Sergeant Mabhena ke kule phepha lelo khuluma ngakho.
Ngiyethemba ukuthi bese ngikhulume kane ngithi mina inamba yabhalwa Mabhena ephepheni ayibhala atenzela ukuthi mangigula bakwazi ukumfonela la kuleli phepha.
I've said this on many occasions. I said Mabhena himself is the one that wrote the number on the paper, and reason being that if it happened that I get sick, they be able to call him on that particular number.
The next call that we wish to traverse is on page 64 of 200, case ID 103-1227.
Sithanda ukuqhubekela futhi ke phambili ke sesiyakubona ikhasi le 64.
But you have never mentioned when you were testifying that Sergeant Mabena wrote his number on a piece of paper and gave it to you.
Kodwa ke ngale nkathi ke uqala ke ngofakazi bakho ke awuzange uzibekele inkantolo ukuthi ke uSergeant Mabena wabhala ke inombolo yakhe ke waseyinikeza wena. Awuzange ukusho lokho ngaphambilini.
Azange ngibuziwe ngakho phela Nkosi enkantolo.
It's because I was not asked about it.
Now abazi ungibuze lo.
Even yourself, you've never asked me about it.
Angithi mina inamba ngiyibona ngoba inamba ngibuka lamaphepha. Uma kune inamba lapha engayikhumbuli kuleli phepha le. Ngitshena ngazo.
As I'm looking at this document, there are some numbers that I do not recall. However, you are bringing my attention to them or tell me about them.
The next calls that we'll be conversing on page 64 of 200, case ID 103-1227, still part of Exhibit DD5A Roman figure 1.
Sizoqhubekela phambili manje swenza ke manje lamakhola avelayo la ku page 64 naye sesewuyena exhibit DD.
Similar to 11:12, will this be an appropriate time to take the short agenda?
Okay.